Hi, I'm Carol Davidson, Chief Style Officer at StyleWorks of Union Square. Today we're here to talk about the best color options for business casual blouses. I've got 3 examples for you, all of which convey a casual yet professional image. We'll start with our first, and as you can see, we have a blouse that's in a lighter color. While a lighter color can appear more approachable and informal, we've taken the high road here. This one has a more professional appearance with the color and structure, and as you can see, we've tucked it in. With our next option, you see a t-shirt, but this one is in a darker color. And what happens with a darker color, it projects more authority and visual command. In addition, this t-shirt has a knit bodice and leather sleeve detail. As a result, it's a more refined option than your basic white cotton tee. Finally, we have a printed blouse. Now, prints can range from the serious to the silly, but always have more personality and vibrancy than a solid. To make sure you're projecting a professional and polished appearance, opt for one like this. Here you see a high contrast of colors along with a collar and a long sleeve, all of which help to elevate the appearance of our printed blouse. I'm Carol Davidson, and this has been the best color options for business casual blouses. For more image and style tips, visit me online at Your Style Works.